Hello friends, this is Hitisham Abed and you're watching Grooming Logics. First hit the subscribe button to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So today I'm gonna review the Huawei Y7 Prime 2018. Now this phone comes with 5.9 inches of screen size with HD plus screen resolution. On the front is an 8 megapixel front facing camera, some sensors, a speaker and a front facing LED flash, which is good. And on the bottom is the Huawei logo. Now, to the right are the volume rockers, a power button and nothing else. Now to the left is a dedicated SIM slot tray, which is quite impressive. On the top, clear. On the bottom is a speaker, a microphone and a micro USB charging port which also support USB OTG but supports slow charging, and a 3.5mm audio jack as well. Now on the back is a 13 plus 2 megapixel dual camera setup with a LED flash and a secondary noise cancellation mic, and a rear mounted fingerprint sensor which is quite speedy, and I'm quite impressed with the speed of this fingerprint sensor. Although the phone is made of plastic, not metallic, but it gives you a premium feel in hands. Now the display colors are not that much vibrant at this price point. I mean, it's okay. Now let's talk about some of its software and hardware specification in about phone section. Now this phone comes with EMUI version 8 and Android version 8.0 Oreo. Now this phone is powered by Snapdragon 430 CPU, which is clocked at 1.4 GHz, which is octa-core chipset. Now it comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB on board storage with a screen resolution of 1440 x 720 HD plus screen resolution. Now I'm quite impressed with the battery timing. It has 3000 mAh battery, and I'm quite impressed with the battery timing. It gives you a whole day because the screen resolution is lower, HD plus, and the battery capacity according to the screen resolution is higher. Now you can change the app dryer. You can add the app dryer option to the home screen, so for your convenience you can get easily into the app dryer from your home screen. Now if you do like my video, then please do hit the like button, comment, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For more videos, stay tuned. This is Hisham Abed and I'm signing off. And yes, one more thing, I'll be posting a separate camera review and gaming review, so stay tuned for that.